Good morning, everyone. It is regarding downloading of Manipal Public School app. Many of you have downloaded it, but some of you are still left. You are requested to download it. This video is about how to download and install Manipal Public School app. This video will cover all the salient features available in this app. Now, how to download it? To download this app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you have Android phone. If you have iOS, then you have to go to App Store. Now here I have Android phone, so I'll go to Google Play Store. Here what you have to do, you have to type Manipal Public School Katihar in full. Then only you will be able to directly find out the app. Otherwise you will have to scroll it for long. After that, just click on search button or tap on search button to search the app. Here the first is Manipal Public School Katihar. This is the app which you have to download. This app is already downloaded in my mobile phone. That's why it is written install. What you have to do is to just tap it to open. There will be install option. Click on install to install. It is hardly of 7 MB. It's a very small app. It doesn't take much memory space of your mobile phone, but it is very beneficial. After installation is complete, open the app. Now when you open it, here you will get the welcome window. There it is written sign in, about us, mission statement, principal message. If you want to read about school, just tap on about us and you can see, or you can go through all the detail about the school. Next is mission statement, and if you want to read principal's message, here you can. Right now, sign in. Click on sign in or tap on sign in to log in. Now here you have two options for signing in. One is sign in with username, another is sign in with OTP. You have to log in with sign in with OTP. Click on sign in with OTP. Again you have got two options. One is get OTP on mobile, another is get OTP on in email. Right. If you want to get OTP in email, you have to tap on get OTP on email. You write your email address and touch or tap on get OTP. You will get OTP on your email. That OTP, the 4-digit OTP, you have to type and log in. Here I will log in through mobile, so I'll just tap on get OTP on mobile. Here I'll write my registered mobile number. Registered means the mobile number which or email ID which you have given to the school while taking admission in the school. That number you have to write and tap on get OTP. You will get the OTP. What you have to do? You have to type OTP. It will start verifying. Now, as soon as the verification is complete, you will find your What's name listed here. What's profile are shown in the first window. Suppose they are not your word or nothing is showing here, you can go to my profile is not listed. You have to tap on my profile is not listed. Tap on my profile is not listed. Here you will get the contact detail where you can register your complaints or register your queries back. Now here what I have seen that I am seeing that both my words are here, so I'll just confirm profile. Click on confirm profile. Profile of one of your word will open. Now if you want to change, you have to go to top left corner. There is a open from button. Touch it. Here you see on the top on blue there is a +2 is written because there are two words. If the 3 words are connected with this mobile number, then there will be 3 and on. Now touch on +2. There is a drop down. Here you will find your both words profile. If you want to change the profile, you just tap on swap profile. You will be able to change your profile. Now here you have many things to see. Once again I'll go to that open from button. Here you will find when you change your profile. From here also you can see announcement, events. The same thing is there inside, right? So we can see from there also. Now here is first is on the top right corner. It is a notification bell. Whenever any notification comes, this bell will have number written on it, 1 2 3. It means that number of notifications have been received, right? You can tap on bell. You can find the notifications, right? Now here when you tap on the profile, you will find full detail of your profile. Like admission number, class, batch, admission date, guardian name, gender, date of birth, birthplace, nationality, religion, language, home, city, state, pin code, phone numbers. Now please check it carefully. If there is any mistake and you think that there should be some change in it, you can very well call to the school. The number is, we have already seen the number and email ID is given. You can call up to school and register your query back. Now here you see there are some options are given. Just click on every option, you will find different thing. When you click on timetable, you will find the list of your classes, which class is going to happen on which date. Here timetable has not been scheduled yet because there is no class going on. When the timetable is made, it will be uploaded on it and it will be published. Events. Here in events there are 3 events: fees, exams, holidays. When you click on fees, you can find everyone's fee, how much is the amount. It is for whole year. Exams, though classes is not happening, so examination date is not there, otherwise examination date would have been listed here. Holidays, the same thing is, when the class will start, you will get all the details. Likewise, you can see events, we have seen it, attendance, fees due, paid fees, subjects, what are the subjects and who all are the teachers, the details of those, gallery and exam reports. You can see previous classes exam reports also by tapping on that. Here you have messages. Whatever messages come from school, you can see here, and whatever work is given to the student, that can be done. Efforts are being made to make it more user friendly and more features are going to be added. So you are requested to download it. It is very beneficial and it will make you to continuously in touch with the school. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you. Thank you.